I've completely washed off my face. My face is completely bare. Now I'm just going to talk about the face washes, because I think face washes play a very important role of what skin you have, and at the same time what face washes you should be using. You should not be using the face washes which completely dehydrate your skin, because to be very honest, if your skin is dehydrated and it doesn't have moisture, that means you are prone to have the signs of aging more early, guys. I'm very sure that you guys don't want to have the signs of aging very early, because nobody wants that, guys. So signs of aging, if you really wanted to avoid, do not use anything that dehydrates your skin. Do not use any product that has alcohol in it, to be very honest. Please read your ingredient of anything that you use on your face skin, on your hand skin, or anywhere. It's very important that whatever you use on your hand, on your face, everything should be patch test. You can do patch test by applying the product here or here for 2-3 days if your skin is really that sensitive, and then you should be using this. Also with unready, I usually bind my hair, but my hairs are already shorter, so I love it to keep it open. I have migraine, so I don't tie out my hair. These are the beautiful ones from Amazon, which I didn't show in the Amazon haul. So the face washes is very important. The only two face washes I use. I do not experiment with the face washes, guys, to be very honest, because I don't want any breakouts of my skin, and I'm very sure nobody wants that. So I used one Jove's Cut T3 Oil Control Acne face wash. Now this is not at all a sponsored video, guys. Can you see this tube is completely empty? Yes, it is empty. It's a complete empty tube. I have like 2-3 washes. So this is Jove's Cut T3 Oil Control Acne face wash. I've been using this since my college life, and I don't know how many tubes I've completed. This is from the brand Jove's. Please use this. Amazing. It does not dehydrates your skin. Okay, the next thing is from Good Vibes Activated Charcoal. Now this is one of the face washes which comes with a pump. This is something when you come out, I use it on a daily basis. I am already, I have this much amount left, and whenever I come from office, I always tend to use this, because pollution is everywhere. You have got so many constructions and everything is going on, and I think this deeply cleanses your skin. This is very inexpensive. This has a shelf life till August 2021, but I'm already done. This is for 175 rupees, very inexpensive. This is for 90 rupees, just 90 rupees. It's a T3 face wash. Does miracle to your skin, specifically when you have combination and a sensitive skin. Face wash is done, then definitely I'm going to tone up my skin. This is from Good Vibes Rose and Clarifying Toner. Toner is very important to close the pores when you are after doing face wash, because after face wash your pores are open. You need to close them so that other dirt pollutants doesn't settle on your skin. It's very important. So I'm just gonna apply toner. By the time I do that, I also do my hair care. Now it's very important that you throw your plastic combs and use wooden combs. Honestly, I have a lot of problem of hair fall because I have migraine. I tend to take tensions in life. Yeah, that's how I am built. I am kind of that person. I try not to take tension, but happens. I'm sure everybody knows that tensions are the general process of life, but do not take tension. You can see there is so less of hair fall. But when this is a plastic comb, I have a lot of hair fall, guys. Trust me, I have a lot of hair fall. My hair becomes very frizzy. Can you see after opening also my hair is not that frizzy? Because plastic combs have a static. So probably the static things pulls off the hair and kind of make the hair more clumsy. Also, before you go to sleep, make sure your hair doesn't have any knots, because if the hair has knots, the next day it is gonna make a lot of hair loss. So make sure your hair doesn't have any knots. You braid your hair and sleep. That is again something which is very important in your hair care regime, that you braid your hair and you sleep. The pillow cover that you use should be synthetic. It should not be cotton, because then cotton has a lot of friction, and with the friction you tend to lose your hair. So only your pillow cover should be satin. Do not sleep on the satin or velvet bed sheets, because that's not advisable for, and good also for the blood circulation. But when I talk about the hair, stop using plastic combs, stop sleeping on the bed covers which is cotton. Try these two things, apart from taking a lot of water and oiling your hair minimum 2 times a week. Second thing, if you have dandruff, if you have itchy scalp, let me tell you how to do it. Take only plain coconut oil. Do not take almond oil, this oil, olive oil, I don't know what all oil you guys use, onion oil, oh my god. Don't use so many oils on your skin, please. It will not gonna fetch you anything. Now coming to the scalp, if you have really itchy scalp or a scalp which is not functioning good, take eucalyptus oil. To be honest, eucalyptus oil is all you need to remove your dandruffs, to remove your itchy scalp. I'll take 3-4 drops. You know, I'm even lost of eucalyptus oil. I use this eucalyptus oil from Good Vibes so much that it's empty. Okay, if you have tea tree oil, then mix this oil, apply it on the scalp, massage it as much as you can, because I think massaging is something which will regulate the circulation of blood in your head. To be honest, always focus on the scalp first, because I think your scalp is something that needs nourishment. Whatever is residue is always something that settles in your scalp. Oil your hair minimum twice, or I will advise 3 times if you really have time. What you can do is oil your hair at night before going to sleep. Let it be till morning. So morning when you take bath, you just wash it off. Do not use too much of oil in your hair, because when you use too much of oil in your hair, you will need too much of shampoo to clean it. And when I say too much of shampoo, that means lot of chemicals. Now I'm not sure which shampoo you use, but try and use the shampoos which is little organic, guys. To be honest, don't use fancy shampoos. I don't want to take the name, but I have to take the name. Tresemme, L'Oreal, Matrix, what all. Be very minimalistic in your hair and skincare regime, guys. Don't try each and every product coming in the market. I see the teenagers using each and every product. Read the ingredient list. Please read your ingredient list, and then do whatever you want to apply. Just think, do a little bit of research in Google. I think Google is readily available everywhere with everybody in this internet world. What shampoo I highly recommend is this Khadi Pure shampoo. It's a herbal shampoo of Henna Tulsi with extra conditioning. Trust me, with this Khadi shampoo you don't need conditioner also, because the conditioner also has a chemical. Anything that cannot soften your hair naturally with just one wash. Think before you use anything on your skin and hair. This is a Khadi shampoo. The color is very normal. You just need, I think, 2 or 3 pump of the shampoo, and honestly your hair will work or act in a different level, guys. So it's a highly recommended, guys. If you have a really problem of your hair fall, your bad scalp, please do all these things. It's simple. Change your comb to wooden comb. The next thing is definitely change your hair oil to a basic coconut hair oil with eucalyptus and 2-3 drops of tea tree oil. Many of you guys I've seen, they will lukewarm the oil to get it more activated. Guys, we don't have so much time, honestly. I do not have. What I do quickly is I just gonna mix simple coconut oil with 2-3 drops of tea tree oil or an eucalyptus oil for a healthy scalp. That's it. Summer is coming, your hairs tend to sweat, your scalp sweat. So don't do all this. Don't use too much of oil is the third. You use too much of oil stating that your hair will suddenly get enough nourishment. No, guys. If you too much oil your hair, you need too much of shampoo, you need too much of chemicals to wash off your hair. So these 3 steps, if you follow, there will be a drastic change. I have seen the change in my hair. I'm a person who is having severe migraine, who takes tension. So obviously the person who has all these factors will tend to lose the hair. but that is something which you should not take. But also along with this, change your small things like comb to wooden comb, oiling your hair thrice in a week, minimum twice in a week, with tea tree oil or a normal eucalyptus 2-3 drops of oil. Sleep in a satin pillow cover, not the cotton pillow cover. Braid your hair and then sleep. That's pretty much. So hair care resume is done. My face is little clean. The last thing, I again want to tone my skin. I do double toning of my skin because after face wash my skin tend to dry. That's a double toning, and after that I use a normal serum. I use either Garnier serum or this Swiss Beauty serum, or you can use vitamin C serum, any serum. And if your skin has a breakout like me during the menstruation periods, so obviously there is nothing to hide. Every woman specifically bleed. So I have no issues talking on that because you bleed. It's natural. Everybody knows that. So I don't know if a guy watching this, yes, women bleed and they tend to have a lot of breakouts when they bleed because of the hormones. So always if you feel your skin is too much breaking down, use a sheet mask. I have made a specific video of weekend regime of which sheet masks to use in which season, like cucumber in summer, wine for the anti-aging and all of that. You can definitely do that. That's pretty much for today's video. I hope this video was a little informative, and do use all these things and let me know how it works on your skin. To be very honest, you will also can get a clear free skin like me without filters. This have no filter and a proper skin, proper hair. I have frizzy hair, but I do maintain it. So little steps, I think you will also get a perfect skin and a perfect hair to carry in your day-to-day life. All you need is to do a little awareness and a little take care of it. I will definitely see you in the next video. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel because that's a little bit of motivation I get to make such more videos. Bye bye, take care and stay safe, guys. Actually comb my hair, and trust me, there is 8 to 9% of hair loss, which I actually feel in the help of wooden comb. So by the time I comb my hair, my everything is already absorbed, like stroke cream and everything. Then I will go, if you feel your skin is still dry, go for a moisturizer. I have a lot of options for moisturizer. I will do a separate video of what is the best moisturizer for unisex for all the seasons around. So you can, generally I use rosehip and the orange gel. This is one of the moisturizer I always have in handy. Whatsoever the season is, it always suits me because it is completely in the form of gel, which is not at all dry, not even moisturizing. So I'm already done with this tub, and this is from Good Vibes. I'm not promoting Good Vibes, but I actually tend to like it. The next step definitely will be your compact after your moisturizing cream. So I'm gonna use Color Bar ka compact. You can use any compact of your shade, and I am in the shade just beige. That's my shade. You can use any shade of your choice. And I'm just gonna, since I have a combination skin, so my T-zones is really oily, so I'm just gonna do that. And as soon as I'm done with that, I am done with the base makeup. After that, very important is your lip balm, because before you start your makeup, it's very important that you prep your lips. Right now I am using this normal Uveda lip balm. This is in the shade Strawberry. You can use any lip balm for that matter. Moisturizing your lips is very important, because you know what, the lipsticks that you apply even have chemicals. So this is my basic skincare regime. And after that also, when you get unready, so in the unready you can definitely use sheet mask. So this is what the sheet mask which I will be using in my unready videos. That's pretty much of today's video. I just wanted to say how you do your base makeup before you do a lot of makeup or a minimalistic makeup, because I think the base skin is something which is very important, and that's where your skin secret lies, and that's why even after using a lot of makeup, your skin tend not to damage, not to break out. Now I will give you a very close pic how my skin is looking right now after the normal base makeup, where I didn't even use foundation. To be very honest, I did not use foundation. I was in a continuous touch with the video apart from the, combing my hair. So this is what my skin looks like. Very natural, nothing added, just a strobe cream, and I'm ready to go out or to go anywhere, not even the eyeliner. To be very honest, that's pretty much. I will see in the next video. I hope you take a very good care of your skin, because that is something which is very important for the glow of your skin, and many of you guys actually ask that. So I will definitely see you in the next video very soon. Take care. Bye bye. Stay safe.
Thank you so much for watching. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and also hit the like button for more such updates. And that's pretty much. I will see you very soon with yet another video.